Hi, I want to show you how to turn on and off developer options on Google Pixel 9a. So start by opening settings and from here find About Phone tab. Now scroll all the way down and you will see build number. So I want you to tap 7 times on build number to turn on developer options. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how this works. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now I'm a developer. So that is how you can turn on developer options. To find them, go back in settings and select System. Then if you scroll down, you will see developer options. Here you can check RAM. Also, you can enable USB debugging and many other features, for example, automatic system updates. As you can see, if you go through the list, you'll find many different features which you can adjust. And by the way, if you have password or pattern on your lock screen, then to activate developer options in About Phone tab, you will need to enter it, and after that they will be turned on. So in my case, I don't have any passwords, that's why it turned on automatically. And now to turn off, you just need to toggle off the switch right here. Go back, and this section will disappear from System tab. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.